Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to permanently delete Terabox account, and now let's dive right in. Now to permanently delete your Terabox account, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your three-lined icons available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here just above the webmaster. Tap on settings over here and you land over here where you can see the security center option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on security center at the top, and over here you can see the deleting an account button at the bottom of the list over here. Tap on deleting an account button over here. With that being done guys, we will be on the account cancellation page of the Terabox. Now let's scroll down, and you'll be required to read all of this information before you cancel or permanently delete your Terabox account. And with that being said guys, after you do this, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see there's an empty circle where it says be aware of risk and confirm to cancel the account. Make sure the blue tick mark is available over there, and by tapping on it, and when the blue tick mark or the blue button appears over here at the bottom left corner of the screen on the circle, tap on delete account and tap on the OK button over here, and then you'll proceed to permanently delete your Terabox account on your phone. And that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to permanently delete your Terabox account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.